Welcome my friends to my channel Everything PS with UMD in a new tutorial in our Premiere Pro course. Do you want to know how to sweeten the sound in Adobe Premiere Pro? Then you are in the right place to be. Let's start our tutorial. For this tutorial, I am using the Premiere Pro project file 0803 Sweeten the Sound. You'll find that project file with the media associated with this project. Just double-click on it to open it in Premiere Pro. Audiences are sensitive to sound quality, and there are some easy ways to improve the impact of your soundtrack in Premiere Pro. Let's improve the sound of some speech using the Essential Sound panel. I have a very simple sequence here, called Merry Interview, and I have got the full interview on the timeline. We can work on removing parts of the interview we don't need later on, but for now, we'll get the sound quality right for the whole clip. I'm gonna switch to the audio workspace by clicking on Audio up here in the Workspace panel. And this brings into view the Essential Sound panel. The Essential Sound panel includes easy-to-use high-quality audio adjustments, with lots of automation to make improving sound quality easier. To activate the options in the panel, you need to select a clip, so I'm gonna single-click on this Merry Interior Interview. I'm going to use the spacebar to play back a little section, so we can hear the sound quality right now.
No, I was born in Japan, grew up there until I was 5, then moved to London for my dad's work.
Well, it sounds okay. But let's see if we can improve it. You can use the Essential Sound panel to make adjustments while the clip is playing, which makes it easier to decide if you like the result. But I'm going to pause each time, so I can explain what we're doing. You'll notice that now I've selected the clip. I need to tell Premiere Pro what kind of audio we're working with. Depending on the audio type you select, you'll see different options in the Essential Sound panel. I'm gonna choose Dialogue. And this gives me a long list of options. Each of these is a section with its own controls. So if I click here on Loudness, I can automatically adjust the volume based on industry standards for speech. I'm gonna click Auto Match. And an adjustment has been made. Let's listen again.
And then lived there for 3 years, I think, and went back to...
Okay. And you can see this information auto-matched to target loudness of -23 lufs. That's based on the industry standard loudness scale. I don't think this clip needs repairing, so I'll leave those options for now. But I am interested to play with this clarity control. I'm gonna turn it on. And you probably just saw quickly that analysis took place. And let's play again.
To Japan, so most of my life has been in Japan.
We also have the option to turn on EQ, and EQ makes adjustments to the volume of your clip at different frequencies, high frequencies, high tones, or low frequencies, and low tones for example. In the preset menu, I can specify a number of options, and I think I'm gonna choose Subtle Boost Female. And let's listen to this.
How those two cities influenced you musically?
Musically, I'm not sure. I would say that a lot of my musical influence probably comes from Japanese tradition.
Excellent. Nice and clear. We have a couple of creative options here. And if you're happy with the adjustments you make overall, you can click this button at the top to save the preset. But for now, I'm going to move on. And I want to make an audio level adjustment. I can make these adjustments on the timeline, but I'm gonna try it here in the Essential Sound panel. I'm turning on a level of adjustment. And now, I'm going to boost the volume just a little bit more. And have a listen.
Music, and I played my violin throughout the time I lived in London and before that, so
I want to show you the results of the adjustments we've been making in the Effect Controls panel. I can't see it on screen right now, and looking up at the frame containing the audio clip mixer, I can see that there is some overflow off panels here, and I am gonna click on the menu at the top right corner of that frame. And this my Effect Controls panel. Remember, if you can't find a panel, it'll always be listed under the window menu in Effect Controls panel. Because I have this clip selected, I can see all of the effects applied to it. And here are all of the effects that have been added. The Essential Sound panel actually said some advanced audio effects without you needing to change individual settings. But the settings up all available if you'd like to experiment right here in the Effect Controls panel. Now that I'm happy with the results we've achieved, I'm gonna go back to the editing workspace, and I'm ready to continue with my edit. That's an overview of some of the quick and easy ways you can improve the sound of speech recordings in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here we go, we are done for today. Don't forget to sub, like, share, and leave your comment down below in the comment section. See you next time, goodbye my friends.